Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job PhD admissions, work from home job, PGT, TGT and assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like and comment my videos. And in this video, we are going to see the professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies in the multiple colleges. So here the opportunities are there for only post-graduation and the candidates who are having the UGC NET or PhD. So for all these categories here the opportunities are there and there is no application fee and no written examination also. Mostly the selection will be based upon the direct interview and few of the colleges are offering the UGC pay scale. So if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as a notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those subjects. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the multiple colleges recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWYNIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video, so here I am going to show you the 6 different colleges recruitment notification. So please check out in which college your subject is there. So the first college is this one, guys, Bhawanipur Education Society College, and it is affiliated to University of Calcutta. So from this one here we got the recruitment notifications from the departments Commerce, Economics and Information Technology for the BCom, and the qualifications PG degree in Commerce and the UGC NET or SET qualification in the particular subject. And coming to the Department of English, UG and PG, so PG in English as well as the UGC NET or SLET qualification. And the pay scale as per the college norm, so application to be made to the chairman, governing body, detailed resume together with a recent photo and the demo video of 10 minutes should be sent by email to hr@thebges.edu.in on or before 10th Jan 2022. Okay. And coming to the second college is Marathwada Mitra Mandal. So from this one here the walk-in interview is there. And walk-in interview is there for the professor, associate and assistant professor, network administrator. For the specializations or the subjects mechatronics and computer engineering, electrical engineering, diploma in computer hardware and network maintenance, IT, EA and DS electrical and computer engineering. So candidates should carry all the original documents and self-attested photocopies along with 2 recent color photographs. Okay, and coming to the next one, so it is a walk-in interview, guys. Okay, so the walk-in interview is tomorrow, that is 2nd Jan 2022, morning 10 o'clock, and venue is also given here. And the candidates who are nearer to this college, so it is in Pune, the interested candidates may prepare for tomorrow. And coming to the third college is MATS University, so it is a NAC accredited university. And appointment professor, associate and assistant professor in the departments of management studies, law, business studies, engineering and IT. In this one, civil, computers, mining, aeronautical and physics and administrative positions are also there. So PhD with minimum of 2 years of experience shall apply. And kindly send your filled application form from, form is available in the university website itself to the hr@matsuniversity.ac.in on or before 8th Jan 2022. And coming to the next college is Uttam Memorial College. So from this one here we got the principal assistant professor from the computer science. So while coming to the assistant professor in the computer science, MC or MTech or MSc with 55% of marks, or else post graduation, or else BA or BTech and MCA with first class, or else MCA with the first class and 2 years of experience. And apart from this one, there are the opportunities are there in the departments English, Hindi, Maths, Chemistry, Physics, Botany, Zoology, Commerce, Management, Sociology, Economics, Political Science. And the qualifications as per the UGC norms, that is PG with 55% of marks, NET or SLET or PhD. Sports teacher also required, clerk also required, accountant also required. Okay, so please send your complete resume along with 2 passport size photographs and a Xerox copy of 3 biodata received earlier would be considered for interview. All documents through email or else submit hard copy in the following address within 15 days. And the address is also given here. Contact numbers are also there. So please check out, guys. And coming to the next college is, so it is a Thangavelu Engineering College. So from this one here, the Arts and Science College also there. So principal, professor, associate and assistant professor requirement is there in the departments of CSC, EC, IT, Mechanical, EEE, EAE, Civil, Artificial Intelligence, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, English, MBA, MCA. And for Arts College, BCom and BBA, BCA, Information System Management, BSc, Visual Communication, Hotel and Catering Management, Maths, English, Tamil, and qualification 55% in PG. Along with that one, with MPhil in the relevant field. So PhD or UGC net or SLET must be there. Anything. And apart from this one, here the few non-teaching vacancies are also there. Administrative officer, public relation officer, and system administrator, web designer, accountant. So all these things you may check down. So you need to apply within 7 days, guys. And here the chairperson in this address is also given here. So you may check out, right? And what is application procedure is not given here. So once check out the contact number of this college in the official website, and then contact them to get the application procedure. And coming to the next one is Vivekananda College of Arts and Sciences for Women, Namakkal. So here the professor, associate and assistant professor requirement is there in the Department of English and Commerce. So attractive salaries will be there for NET or SET or PhD candidates. Eligible candidates may apply within 10 days via the director.hr@vivekananda.ac.in. So here the contact numbers are also provided. If you are having any queries, you may contact this number. Okay. So finally, these are the different recruitment notifications from the 6 different colleges, guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And if your subjects are not there, please mention your subjects in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next videos on notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Jai Hind. Yeah. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as a general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else the paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects that you may explore. What are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose? And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common. That means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in the English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current course are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects, you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay. And while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So I may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want